What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. It's been a minute since I've posted, guys, and 876 RC Dragsters is still here. Sorry for the long break, but sometimes you have to take a little break and deal with some things and come right back. And we are here back again, and here I'm basically here to show you guys how to make an RC drag car faster, or not even just an RC drag car, RC car in total, especially without using or upgrading your electronic. So if you guys are paying attention here, I have some weight at the front here. It's a little bit different than how I had it before, and that is because now I have 4 at one side and 4 at the other side, and then the intercooler is here. However, I did put the intercooler a little bit more forward, so as you can see, it's pushed forward mounted, not really resting on this part right here. The weight is forward now. I'm gonna see if I can get something to tip the car so you can see just how much the weight is to the front instead of where the back part of the car is. But I did take some time to really work on that. And for these right here, bore some holes in them, so I can now get those a little bit lighter. It doesn't really matter, but I like how it look. It makes it look a little different, and yeah, that's that. Another thing that I did. So okay, so before I even jump the gun, so weight at the front, guys, is definitely something that you need for front wheel drive cars, especially if you're doing drag racing. You want a lot of the traction to go to the wheels. And another modification that I did is that you can upgrade your pinion gear, which I did that. I won't really be disclosing what size I'm running, because a lot of people watch my stuff and some of them, they wanna be in so-called competition and all that stuff, but for those who are the real OG people on my channel, you know that we always give away the hacks. But you can inbox me on Instagram, I'll tell you. And yeah, so upgraded the pinion gear, which is right here. That's a bigger one, and then added some weight to the front so we can get some traction. And the car is quite heavy at the front, guys. And what else now? That's about it. Pinion gear, adding weight, and yeah, guys, that's the most thing I've done so far. Anything else is just, I would just say, more for cosmetics. But I'm really trying to focus on how the car goes on the track, the alignment and everything like that. So working on those things for now. Okay, so as you guys can see, if you look under the car, I have a little thing under there, but you can see where the weight is more to the front, and then the back is left there. It's tipping a little bit backwards because the battery is kind of in the center. If I could get a smaller battery, it wouldn't be tipping backwards so much. You would still have that it would you could say balance out, even though this thing here is more to the front of the car. Well, I don't think I'm going to be adding any more weight for right now. I'm going to work on this and see what this is going to do for me. See what this will do with the GNS when I do get a chance to go out and test this car. But the weight is way more forward than it was the last time, and that's what I'm working on. And again, if you're new to the channel, like, share and subscribe. But I'm going to see what these changes will do. And as I said before, the only thing that I did know is that I upgraded the pinion gear, added more weight to the front, and that's it. Going to be getting a better remote to dial it in. I might be looking at broader slicks for the car, maybe for this season. So we'll see you guys. So stay tuned and like.